don't drive and fly. Take some drone footage finally today. It's a little cloudy still. It's supposed to be nice this afternoon, so maybe we'll wait a little bit. I'm gonna go down and check the game cameras and see what we got on those, and dig out the Mavic and we'll get it fired up, see what's going on. So as we walked the mile or so down the old overgrown logging road to get down to the main creek, I put the AIR-2S into auto-follow cinematic mode to see how it would do. This footage is it following us down the hill, basically through the trees. Did a pretty good job as we would disappear into the trees. Interestingly enough, if it lost track of me, it would find Michelle and it would switch over to her and follow her for a while. During this whole thing though, I don't touch the controls really at all, ever. It's pretty much doing everything on its own. Here's some testing with the vehicle following mode. It's very similar to people following. You do it the same way, but it worked really, really well. So it has to fly above a certain altitude to be able to do this. So when we get into the tree canopy, it had trouble following because the tree canopy was too short or too low for the drone to go into auto follow mode. But on the way out here, it works excellent, as you'll see. Here comes an excellent example of tree avoidance as it comes around this corner right about here. And here it tries to go through, but due to the canopy height, it just gets stopped. Once at this point, I tried to restart it and it was too low to the ground. So at this point, I flew it up higher above the canopy and relocked back onto the truck to see if it would follow me through there, and it actually did for quite a ways until it lost me in the trees and it couldn't see me anymore. But I was surprised how well this worked as well.